The combination of practicality and creativity in budget-friendly wall hanging wood projects offers a unique opportunity for artisans looking to craft modern decor items that are both functional and visually appealing. In today's design landscape, where space is often at a premium and minimalism reigns supreme, wall hangings made from wood can serve as ideal solutions to enhance interior aesthetics without overwhelming a room. Such projects not only allow artisans to express their creativity, but also cater to the growing demand for affordable, stylish decor that can transform a living space. The beauty of wood lies in its versatility. It can be cut, shaped, and finished in myriad ways, enabling the creation of distinctive pieces that resonate with contemporary design sensibilities. One of the most appealing aspects of crafting budget-friendly wall hangings is the ability to utilize reclaimed or leftover wood, making the projects both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Sourcing materials from old furniture, pallets, or construction sites not only reduces costs, but also adds a story to each piece. This practice aligns with the increasing consumer interest in sustainability and the desire for unique, one-of-a-kind items that carry a sense of history. By embracing reclaimed wood, artisans can create beautiful wall art that reflects both creativity and an eco-conscious mindset, appealing to buyers who value responsible sourcing and craftsmanship. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of budget-friendly wall hanging wood projects ideas you can craft for modern decor and selling. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In terms of practicality, wall hangings serve multiple purposes beyond mere decoration. They can be designed to provide additional storage solutions, such as incorporating hooks or shelves for keys, plants, or small decorative items. This dual functionality enhances the appeal of the projects, as consumers often seek items that can serve more than one purpose in their homes. For instance, a wooden wall-mounted shelf can display books or plants while also providing a functional space for organizing everyday items like mail and accessories. This blend of practicality and aesthetic value makes such projects highly desirable for modern consumers who appreciate efficient use of space in their homes. Creativity plays a vital role in the design process of wall hangings. Artisans can explore various styles, from rustic charm to sleek modernism, allowing for a wide range of expressions that cater to different tastes. Techniques such as wood burning, painting, or staining can be employed to add personalized touches to each piece, making it more engaging and visually appealing. For example, a simple wooden panel can be transformed into a stunning piece of art with the addition of geometric patterns or natural motifs, drawing the eye and serving as a focal point in a room. By experimenting with different designs, artisans can create unique offerings that stand out in the marketplace, attracting consumers looking for distinctive decor that reflects their personal style. Moreover, the process of creating wall hangings offers artisans the chance to engage with their local communities and foster connections. Participating in local craft fairs, workshops, or online markets can help artisans showcase their work, share their creative process, and connect with potential buyers. This community engagement can enhance the visibility of their products while also allowing artisans to gather feedback and insights that can inform future projects. Being part of a vibrant artisan community can inspire new ideas and collaborations, further enriching the creative journey. The affordability of these projects also makes them accessible to a wider audience. Consumers are increasingly drawn to budget-friendly options that does not compromise on style or quality. By focusing on cost-effective designs, Artisans can attract a diverse customer base, from college students seeking to personalize their dorm rooms to families looking to refresh their living spaces. This broad appeal can lead to increased sales opportunities as well-crafted, affordable wall hangings become sought-after items in various markets. In addition, the potential for scalability in producing these budget-friendly projects can significantly enhance profitability. Artisans can create a range of wall-hanging items that can be manufactured in batches, allowing for efficient use of time and resources. This scalability can streamline the production process, enabling artisans to maximize their output while minimizing costs. By offering a variety of designs and styles, artisans can cater to different consumer preferences and trends, ensuring that their products remain relevant in a competitive market. Furthermore, the digital age provides artisans with powerful tools for marketing and selling their wall-hanging creations. Utilizing social media platforms, artisans can share their projects, connect with customers, and showcase their creative processes through engaging content. High-quality photography of finished pieces can capture the attention of potential buyers, while behind-the-scenes videos or tutorials can foster a sense of community and connection. By building an online presence, artisans can reach a global audience, expanding their market beyond local communities. The incorporation of personalization in wall-hanging projects can also enhance their marketability. Offering customization options such as engraved names, dates, or meaningful quotes allows consumers to connect more deeply with the products. Personalized items are often viewed as thoughtful gifts, making them particularly appealing during holidays, anniversaries, or other special occasions. This focus on customization not only increases the perceived value of the products, but also encourages repeat business as customers return for unique, meaningful gifts for their loved ones. In the combination of practicality and creativity in budget-friendly wall-hanging wood projects presents a wealth of opportunities for artisans seeking to craft modern decor that resonates with consumers. By utilizing reclaimed materials, focusing on dual functionality, and exploring various design styles, artisans can create unique offerings that appeal to a broad audience. The accessibility of these projects, coupled with the potential for scalability and the power of digital marketing, positions artisans for success in a competitive market. By embracing personalization and engaging with their communities, woodworkers can foster meaningful connections with customers while producing beautiful, functional pieces that enrich modern living spaces. Ultimately, the journey of crafting budget-friendly wall hangings not only allows for creative expression, but also contributes to a sustainable and vibrant marketplace that celebrates artistry and functionality in equal measure. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for budget-friendly wall hanging wood projects ideas you can craft for modern decor and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.